All right, that's it. All right. Well, I guess that's it for today. You guys got a chance to see what the Orville trails look like in its entirety, frontwards and backwards, or backwards and frontwards. You guys even got a chance to see what that other part of that trail looks like. So we did all right. We even discovered another little outtake over off of that one little area by Brookwood. So I think today was pretty good. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me today. Chill Health and Fitness. We out. All right, guys, Chill Health and Fitness. We're over here by Brookwood, and I decided to go ahead and check out this trail before I head home while there's still some daylight. So we're gonna go ahead and see what's going on with this little area over here. All right. All right, let's get it. Now, go to the Oak Park, and that's it, y'all. That is it. I actually thought he was gonna go somewhere. Jokes on me. I guess they do got another little area over here. Check this out. We got some fool over here being super loud. For no goddamn reason. Let's check this out over here real quick, guys. This is just bonus footage. I want to see what's up with this field over here. Go ahead, get on across here. Maybe a pain in the ass to probably get back, but let's look at it. This is Big Shunga Park. And look what we got here. Well, this is what we're looking at. A lot of little areas if you want to have a nice picnic. That's actually kind of beautiful. I should ride up in there. I think I will. Let's do it. Let's check it out. Oh, wow. This is kind of cool. I think they be playing, is that frisbee golf or something up in here? Yeah. I like how these trees are planted. Look how big and, you know, beautiful they are. Look at these thick ass branches. Look at that shit. That is crazy. It's nice and huge out here. All right. Well, so it looks from the other side. All right. Yeah. All right. go ahead and head on back, and I guess that's gonna be it. Thick ass branches. I would love that when I was a kid. Yeah, this is cool. All right. That's the forest, y'all. Let's go this way. I'll park over here by C.HILL. All right. And that was fun. Look at the cows. All right, guys. And that was fun. All right. Well, there you go. C.HILL Health and Fitness.